Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to change the driving mode, and let me explain what driving modes can you choose. Let's begin. Alright, so here let's find and select the apps icon right here. Select here vehicle settings, and here you've got access to shortcut. Let's tap shortcut, and the first possible option is right here, the driving mode. As you can see, you can use free driving mode. If you swipe to the left, you've got eco. It optimizes efficiency to extend battery range, it softens acceleration and may limit climate control power. You can choose comfort, the standard and default one. It provides a smooth, balanced experience suitable for daily driving, or you can choose the last option, the right option right here. Let's tap Sport. And as you can see, this is the sharpest possible response, uh, and it firms up the steering for more dynamic and powerful feel. But of course, your range will be lower, so you have to be aware of that. In my case, let me choose the middle one, so the comfort. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.